I'm going to show you how to reinforce this gunship. What it's going to do is going to pick up these scouts, these 4 scouts, and it's going to drop them off somewhere to a place where we want them, and then I'm going to make the helicopter land. So first we need to set a tag point for the helicopter to go to. So click on from your objects menu, click on tag point, select tag point. There's no need to drag it, just click on it and then set it somewhere where you want. In this case I'm going to put it near these rocks so I know where it is. And rename your tag point. It says tag point 8. Best to rename it to something what you can remember. In this case I'm just going to name it tag point 1. Tag point 1. Click on the tag point again to set it, and then click on the gunship and scroll down to entity properties and select this one, point reinforce, and it's currently named drop. Rename it to the same as what you did with the tag point exactly, which is tag point 1. Tag point 1, exactly the same name as the tag point here. Okay, now we've got to set excuse me, a proximity trigger for this to happen. So go to entity, open triggers folder, triggers, and drag and drop proximity trigger to somewhere. In this case I want to set it behind this rock so I know where it is, and then select it, scroll down, click on enter or on leave. On enter means it's going to trigger this gunship to what I want it to do. On leave means when I'm inside this cube, when I leave it, it's going to activate the gunship to what I want it to do. So in this example I'm just going to click on enter and then click on pick new, and then click on the gunship, and then click on gunship 2 fly brackets, and right click and click on reinforcement. Okay, right, let's just give it a test. To test it, you either can go into gameplay if you want to, and then just walk behind that into that cube. So I want to click on the proximity trigger, click on gunship 2 brackets reinforcement, click on AI physics. You see it's turned yellow, and click on send. You can see what's happening. It's picked up the mercenaries. It's going to drop them off to that tag point. There you go. But the problem is the helicopter's just flying about, using up all your CPU in the game. So you want it to land. So we set another tag point to make it land, a proximity trigger to make it land. So I'm going to set another proximity trigger, entity, triggers, proximity trigger. I'm going to place it behind these rocks here so I know where it is. Select the proximity trigger, scroll down, click on enter and pick new, and click the gunship, and then right click on gunship 2 fly brackets and click on land. Right, I can't do a test here. I've got to go into gameplay mode to do it because there's 2 proximity triggers. So when I walk into this area, it's going to reinforce the helicopter, the gunship, and it's going to make it land, drop off those mercenaries. And then when I'm in gameplay, I walk into this area and it's going to make the gunship land. So let's go into gameplay mode now. I'm pressing Control G. Ouch. So I go into this area and it's triggered it. I better get out of the way before I'm dead. It's going to go to that tag point. It's going to drop them off. Okay, that's dropped them off. Now I want the gunship to land, so I go into that other trigger, which is here. Somewhere. And there you can see the helicopter's landed. Okay, I'll do that again. I'll make the helicopter take off again and oh, I'm dead. Sorry about that. Anyway, I hope you got all that. Thanks for watching. Just leave a comment if you have any problems. And thanks for watching. Thank you.